This is why people are being told to stay home during the snowstorm. This is the on-ramp right now to 295 in South Jersey. You can see this car is stuck. This tow crew is here getting them out. They say they've had 15 calls like this today. Right now, the speed limit on this highway has been lowered to 35 miles per hour, but these guys say they've seen people driving much higher over the speed limit. Not good. They say stay home.
That shit missing like a motherfucker.
Another one. He's not going to make it. Yep, there he goes. Oh, no, brace. Straight into the back of the SUV. You can hear that. Minivan coming. He's sliding. Oh, he's going to hit. Yeah, there it goes. This hill's a sheet of glass. They got to close it off.
We got somebody right here having a hard time getting in. If they can get in, we gonna ask them what made them even come out in this. So we gonna see how it works out for them. They not having such an easy time. I do believe it is a rental as well. So why you would be driving a rental out here in the snow is crazy. You shouldn't do it at all. They having a hard one. They having to back it up. They stuck. That would have been me too. And that's exactly why I did not bring my ass out here, because I did not want to be stuck like these folks right here. His little shorty left him.
Stay y'all asses in the crib out this snow. You see everybody out here getting stuck. I don't care. You got an SUV. Stay in the house. Everybody getting stuck out here. It's bad. Real bad. I'm on foot.
Let's rip it, baby. No traction. Oh, we spinning. Yo, everybody be safe on these roads, though. Oh! Oh, gosh.
It's like, why even come outside? Why even leave your house? You're driving with your hazards on. Like, driving with your hazards on is gonna make a difference. Stay home with that stupid front-wheel drive shit, bro. What are you doing? You gotta stay home, bro. This is the Northeast. You gotta stay home with that shit. Fucking drive with your flashes, front-wheel drive shit. You fucking asshole. Stupid idiot. Stay where you're at in the reverse.
The conditions on I-84 headed towards Waterbury are not great. I'm Andrew. This is Courtney, all bundled up.
All bundled up.
We're going very slowly, headed towards Waterbury because we're going to stay put there. We don't want to be out on the roads. What is it like driving?
Guys, there's no lines. Visibility is kind of becoming a little bit low. And people are just flying.
And hasn't even cleared off the back of the car yet, so.
Yeah, a lot of people are flying, so just stay off the roads.
We're going to stay put in just a few minutes, and then we'll bring you updates from Waterbury.
Yeah, bring that motherfucker this way. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Something.
Back again. That nigga fucked up. Oh, whoa. Hold on. He fell. You good? Get about that goddamn snow. Come on, man. Oh. All right.
You can see what's
What's going on over here? Let go.